this is my friend's specialty. So I recreated tall chickies, sardines patty, and I made some sausawan, and then currently cooking. This is tall chickies, sardines patty. Yes, first time ko itong natikman nung nagluto siya dito sa Abu Dhabi. So shout out tol. And so meron din tayo dito chicken. This is chicken balls. And some lumpiang Shanghai made by Auntie Sophie. Let's try that. Sausawan. It's good. So for tonight, we're doing street food merienda serye. So far so good. So yeah, thank you tol for this recipe na natutunan ko sa iyo. Sardines patty. Yes, may natutunan akong recipe sa pagpunta niya dito sa Abu Dhabi. Simple and masarap. Ngayon lang po ulit ang tayo mag oily foods. It's been a while. So that's it for today's vlog. Merienda series.